All right, so let's check this thing out. This is the instrument cluster lens for 87 to 89. Look, it's got something else underneath of it. 629.18. But anyway, Daniel Carpenter came through LMR. This is the cluster that I have. So I've already got this unbolted. It has T15 Torx. There's all of our bolts. All right, I think I got to just get this tape on this side. I kind of just opened this when I got it to see what it is. Okay. All right, so this one is ready to be removed. So let's just set this one here. All right, now this stuff, guys, it's old, it's fragile, and you really have to be careful with it. There's a piece of dirt or something on there. So, but yes, this one is an aftermarket cluster. I installed this years and years ago because it has the 140 over the 85 that actually came with this vehicle. Just a nice a paintbrush. Using this to dust this off, okay? I'm going to set this off to the side. As you can tell, I've got a great working space here. So here is our factory one. Now, I did pull this thing off. I used a Meguiar's plastic wax back in the day. So let's take a look and see. Look at that. Looks like it's got the Ford part number and everything right on it, right down there. So this is an actual reproduction. It's got a couple spots on it. Now these were out of stock for quite some time. So I mean honestly, I don't, other than being clear, it resembles the OEM one 100%. Like I said, it has the part number and everything already on it. So, I mean, my goodness, look at that. Other than that little spot right there. So, easy enough, man. Take your 10s. Get them started right back in here. If you over tighten these, it will split the plastic. This one being newer is probably better than the older ones. Alright, so I'm going to get something, I'll lay this down, but I'm going to go through and I'm going to probably replace all of the bulbs that are in here while I have this out. And, you know, I'll stick it back in this box so I'm ready to reinstall my cluster. At least this way I know everything is finished up. But like I said, nice little small paintbrush. This is just a cheap paintbrush. Works really good for dusting stuff. So, I mean, there you go. Man, is it pretty. These have 194s in. So basically all you have to do is just give it a twist. Lifts out. Like that one actually looks like it's bad. So I'm working my way across here. I'm going to do these and then go across. But this is all you have to do. Kind of just pulls right out. You stick your new one in. You can buy these in like a bulk box like this. That's why I have them. And then I'm just going to, like, I mean, you can tell these are probably all the original bulbs that came in the car. So out they go. But that's it. Easy, easy, easy. All right.